Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me for a little self-care Sunday. This Sunday I am prepping for a big week ahead of me. I am starting my first full week at my new job, so I wanted to make sure I took extra good care of myself this Sunday, and big thank you to Athena Club for sponsoring today's video. So I'm starting off my Sunday morning by taking a shower. I start off all of my days by taking a shower, but on days where I am practicing self-care, I add a couple of more steps into my shower to make my day a little bit more special. After my hair is completely soaked, I go ahead and add a hair mask. This one is from Shea Moisture. While I let the hair mask soak in and condition my hair, I go ahead and prep my body for shaving. With my Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber and the Athena Club Creamy Body Wash, I go ahead and exfoliate my legs, brushing off any of the dead skin. For a really smooth and easy shave, I go in with the Athena Club Cloud Shave Foam, and you really only need a little bit to cover your whole leg. Now it's time to finally shave. I'm using the Athena Club Razor Kit in pink. The razor kit comes with a magnetic hook to safely store your razor. It also comes with a replacement blade, and it comes with a handle. Unlike traditional razors that are typically made of plastic, the Athena Club razor handle is made of a fiberglass interior, which is wrapped in silicone and aluminum. It's really meant to be a forever handle. On the back of my leg, I have a really bad scar from a shaving accident that happened about a year ago, and ever since then, I've been really particular about the razors that I use. The Athena Club razor is by far the best razor that I've ever used. The handle has a really nice weight to it, which makes me feel really comfortable and safe while using it. After my shower, I go straight into body care. I'm using the Athena Club Dewy Body Lotion, my fur oil, my bio oil, and lastly, my anise booty oil. For my deodorant, I grab my Athena Club All Day Deo. I never skip body lotion, especially after a shave. The Athena Club body lotion is so nourishing and smooth and absorbs right into the skin. I know that the Athena Club Dewy body lotion is especially soothing because even after a fresh shave, this body lotion never stings my legs. I love everything about this body lotion. The scent is so nice, the packaging is gorgeous. I love the fact that it's in a pump. It's so soothing and hydrating and absorbs right into the skin. Now I'm applying my Athena Club All Day Deo. I like the #1 scent, it's my favorite one. This is my favorite all-natural deodorant, but stay tuned for my all-natural deodorant video to hear more about it. Now that I'm all fresh and clean and smelling good, I can start with my breakfast. I'm using an avocado, a lime, 1 egg, and 1 ripe peach. I start off by toasting 1 slice of Dave's Killer Bread. On a very hot pan, I crack open 1 egg. You want to make sure that when your egg hits the hot pan, it's already turning white and cooking. I immediately add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then I go ahead and cover up the pan and then reduce the heat. Now it's time to put the avocado on the toast. Here I'm cutting the avocado in half. I save the avocado half with the seeds still in it because I think it makes the avocado stay fresh for longer. Now I'm taking a fork and kind of smashing the avocado up together inside of the shell first, and then I'm going to put it on the actual toast. Using a fork instead of a spoon definitely helps mash up the avocado much easier, and here I am just spreading the avocado all over the toast. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt. And now I'm squeezing a little bit of lime or a lot of lime. It's a very juicy lime. I love my lime. And now I'm sprinkling some red pepper flakes all over my avocado toast. I'm topping off the toast with my egg. I like to make sure that my egg has a soft yolk, and now I'm adding some hot sauce. I cut up my peach, and here is my breakfast. Every morning with my breakfast, I do take my supplements. My mom has us all on a very strict vitamin regimen, and I'll leave more information about that down below. After breakfast, I go ahead and get my dirty laundry together to wash. I like washing my clothes on Sunday so that I can have nice clean clothes for my week. Now I'm going to sit down and start planning. I recently got a plum paper planner that I am so obsessed with. Go ahead and like this video if you guys want to see planning videos. This planner is really awesome though. It has a lot of space for me to plan my days. It also comes with a built-in habit tracker, which I really love. And the plum paper planner is super customizable, so as someone who loves bullet journaling and used to be an avid bullet journaler, having a customizable journal is something that was really important to me while making this plum paper planner. Something I love doing on Sundays is my nails. I recently discovered a new brand at Ulta called Nailtopia. They are a 100% plant-based nail polish, and the colors and quality of the nail polish is so good. I paint my nails on Sundays because these really do last me the entire week. How stinking cute did these nails come out? I am obsessed with this color. This is the Nailtopia nail polish in the shade Uptown Girl. Self-care also sometimes means putting in a little bit of work. I spent some of my Sunday working a little bit and prepping for my work week. I am just sitting here doing some lesson plans and planning out our classroom schedule, and also looking into activities that I can do with my students. One way that I can really show myself that I care about me is by setting myself up for the next morning. I pick out my clothes the night before so that I don't have to spend time picking them out in the morning, and I also set aside the makeup that I'm wearing for the next morning so that I don't have to spend time rummaging through my drawers trying to figure out what kind of makeup that I'm going to be wearing that day. I also go ahead and pack my bag the night before, and also pack my lunch too. I'm really bummed that I didn't film myself creating this poster for my classroom, but last week I attended a self-love workshop and we learned a mindfulness exercise that I am going to share with my students. I'm also showing you guys that I did make a little mistake, but I also fixed it. To finish off my day, I'm going to drink one of my 4 Sigmatic mushroom cacao mix drinks. I add the mixture into a hot glass of water. These drinks are pretty tasty, and I think it's really nice to end my day with a warm drink. But that is it for my self-care Sunday. Leave me a comment down below describing what your perfect self-care Sunday looks like. I would really love to read it and get inspiration for mine. Thank you again to Athena Club for sponsoring today's video. I will leave links to all of the Athena Club products down below, along with links to any other products that I talked about in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. Take care, and I'll see you next time.